context. Let's talk about context. Okay, cool, no problem. Next up, we got Pot Belly Babs. You know what I'm saying? We've got the pot belly Craig David up next. You know what I'm saying? Let's go.
5 reasons why Arsenal have signed Raheem Sterling. 1. Financially perfect. Signing a full-time Premier League winner on a loan with no fee included while paying only 50% of his wages. This deal was a no-brainer. 2. Elite.
No-brainer. Financially viable, yeah? Financially perfect. Really? Really? 165k a week for a guy that can't kick a ball, can't pass a ball, can't score, and was getting outworked and outperformed by Ethan from the youth academy in his first year in the men's game. Oh, Port Belly Babs, bro. I swear down.
Elite versatility. 269 games as a left winger, 172 games as a right winger, and 81 games as a striker. Not only are Arsenal getting an elite backup for Bukayo Saka, but depth across their entire front.
Elite backup for Bukayo Saka. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oi. Nah, you can't invent this shit up, bro. You can't invent this stuff up, bro. Look at man like Rikishi, bro. Look at the way he's looking down at the camera, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? Look at this guy. He thinks he's on OnlyFans or something. I don't know what this guy's waffling about. Elite backup, you know.
3. Premier League veteran. Entering his 14th year as a Premier League player with over 120 goals to his name. In a league where many fail to deliver, Sterling has already proven he can thrive straight away. 4. Ready-made connection. Working for 3 years alongside Mikel Arteta during his time at Man City. After one-to-one sessions to improve his game, Sterling racked up a whopping 53 goal contributions in his final full year under Mikel Arteta. 5. Floor raiser.
Floor raiser. The only thing that's getting risen around here is your high cholesterol about floor raiser. What are you chatting about, floor raiser? The only thing rising up is you when you see a quarter pounder and your meal is ready at KFC and they call out your number. What are you talking about, floor raiser, Raheem Sterling? Well, this is aged well. This is aged really well. Huh?
Despite not being the blockbuster signing that many fans wanted, with the departure of Reece Nelson for the same wages, Arsenal are getting a far better player. Proven to have thrived in an elite environment, not only does Sterling offer Arsenal extra pace, but coming off the bench in the Champions League, with nearly 100 games to his name and 45 goal contributions, Arsenal are getting experience they didn't have last season. A fantastic short-term solution costing us next to nothing, coming with a point to prove at only 29 years of age. It's time for Mikel Arteta to work his magic once again.
Work his magic once again? Because Mikel worked his magic for Eddie Nketiah, didn't he? He worked his magic for ESR. He worked his magic for Reece Nelson. He worked his magic on Jesus, Gabriel Jesus. He worked his magic for Zinchenko. He worked his magic for Trusty. He worked his magic for Martinelli. He worked his magic for Trossard. He worked his magic for Fabi Vieira, for Lokonga, for Nuno Tavares, for Karl Hein, for Runnison, for Ramsdale. What are you chatting about, bro? What are you chatting about? But don't worry, yeah. This is the perfect intro for man like Babs. Super duper sumo, you know, aka the super duper sumo. Let's go. But let's go to the next video.
5 reasons why Arsenal have signed Kai Havertz. 1. Aerial ability. Standing at 6'3" tall, Havertz has scored 10 headers over the past 2 seasons. Only Haaland, Kane and Welbeck have scored more. 2. Big game player. From goals for Germany at the World Cup.
Havertz, big game player. Big game player. Where was Havertz in the cup games? Where was Havertz against Man United or against Newcastle? Where was Havertz against Bournemouth? Where was Havertz against Inter Milan? Where was Havertz last season against Bayern Munich? Where was Havertz last season in the cup games against West Ham and Liverpool? Big game player. Okay.
To a winner in a Champions League final. Havertz has got a knack of turning up when it matters the most. 3. Understanding of space. Last season, Havertz made 334 off-the-ball runs, ranking only behind Erling Haaland. This guy has fantastic movement.
Fantastic movement. Fantastic movement. Every time we whip the ball into the box, Declan Rice is at the end of it, not Kai Havertz. We are paying 280,000 a week for somebody that has excellent movement. What about excellent finishing? How about that? Since he's supposed to be playing as a striker, is he excellent at finishing? Okay then, £280,000 a week for excellent movement.
Something Mikel Arteta will be able to maximise. 4. Versatility. Arsenal had to address their squad depth, and then Havertz they're getting someone who's played out wide on the right hand side, down the middle as a false nine, and he even has the ability to play deeper in midfield. 5. Superstar potential. Before signing for Chelsea, Havertz was seen as a super talent, scoring
Superstar potential. Superstar potential based on what? Based on the way that you lot are hyping him. Superstar potential. What about him is superstar potential? Is it the passing? Is it the link-up play? Is it the finishing? What is superstar potential in Havertz? Because he excels at nothing. Crazy.
Scoring 20 goals for Bayer Leverkusen at just 20 years of age. As Arteta has shown in the past with the coaching of Martin Odegaard, he can revive wonder kids. Is Kai Havertz the next man on the list?
Crazy. There you go. Pot belly babs. Big up to Future Shock. Look at the state of my fan base, bro.
This is the last dance. Pep Guardiola versus Mikel Arteta. Arsenal versus Manchester City. Who will come out victorious? Is it Arsenal or Man City? Guys, I want to show you what the Murray is saying. Man City has got 80% chance of winning this. Arsenal only 20% chance. That's fine, I don't care. That's fine, I don't care. But I want to talk to my gooners. Guys, I know we don't have a big chance of winning this league today, but I need you to know something. Where there's a will, there's a way. I'm telling you guys today, and I want to tell you, believe, guys. Believe. If it is meant for us, then it is meant for us. If it's not happening today, guys, it's fine. Let them bend. I want to show you guys something. Look here. They are bantering us the whole week already. Our rivals is already saying we are losing the league. Look how they are bantering us, and it's fine. It's fine. And it's fine, I don't worry about that. But I need you to know, I want my rivals to know, should Arsenal win this league today, I'm telling you. Should we win this league today, the sky will fall. Noise, pollution all over. You won't be able to stand the Arsenal. I promise you. Remember what all of you said during this whole week. You're already accepting we are not winning this league, and it's fine. So be careful. If we should do it, I beg my pardon. Arsenal fans, if we should not do it today, guys, just know one thing. Our boys will be more hungry than ever to come back and go for the title next year. And guess what, guys? The team will be even more stronger. I'm telling you that now. And
these men are getting cooked this season. You know what I'm saying? She knows bollocks. Let's go.
Where you at with the manager? Like, should he go? Should he stay? Where you at?
I said at the beginning of the season that if he didn't win any trophies, he should go, and I stand by that. I just don't think that I can, in my heart of hearts, sit here and tell people that I feel like it's fine, even with all the context, that he shouldn't have won anything in the last 5 seasons.
Oh, really? Oh, really? You sounded toxic and negative. Toxic and negative. You're sounding toxic and negative. Feel that puta. Yeah? Okay. What goes around comes back around. What happened to I can't stand to listen to Northside. Oh, it's so negative. I can't stand it. Oh my God. Oh, context. Get some context in the room. Some parliamentary procedure. I feel that puta. Now you're sitting there looking like Sterling, bro. You know what I'm saying? Now you're looking like Sterling, bro. You know what I'm saying? Do your job. Do your job. You know what I'm saying? All this sucking off this process, sucking off this project. Oh, this season we're going to see a different side of Arsenal. My girl's looking like Sterling. How you looking like a finished Sterling right now? Crazy for you. But don't worry, it's Northside. I won't let nobody I won't let nobody know. Don't worry. I'm not gonna tell anyone that you're now flip-flopping. Don't worry about that. I'll keep
A massive club like Arsenal, and you aspire to be one of the best teams in Europe and the best team in England. How many more times can you not be good enough and keep finishing second or not be the best and keep going? No, he is good enough. Based on what?
But Tom, I hear your point, and I'm telling you how I feel. But you don't agree with how I feel.
What has Arteta shown you to
the way he's transformed the club?
Yeah, which is...
and we are pushing... Like,
Eddie Howe's done that at Newcastle, but I don't think Eddie Howe's good enough to go and win a Premier League.
They're not pushing Man City all the way, are they?
That's not winning, Theo.
No, I know, but... Mate, you don't understand. We have made so much progress, and we are so close.
Everyone who wants...
to be able to get us over the line now. I can't believe it. Toxic. Can you not see what he's done for the club? Can you not see where he's brought us from? The pits of hell... from finishing at 5th all the way now to 2nd. I mean, who could do a better job with £800 million? Who could do a better job? This guy is working with pennies. And you think we can't get top 4? The bench is... we rebuilt the bench. We've got the best strikers in the world. We've got Zinchenko that's pivotal to the way that Arteta plays his football. What are you talking about? How can we not make top 4? Believe. Don Robbie said, we're going to do this. What happened to all of that? Now you got a mask over your face, like you're going to get pegged in the dominatrix video on Pornhub. What's going on? Crazy.
Question